Okay, let's do Revolve 3. Revolve 2 is super simple, so I'm going to skip that. This is Revolve 3, and we already set our working directory when we did Revolve 1, so we're just going to go New, and we're going to call this R3. I'm going to click OK, and you notice that there's 4 dimensions on this drawing. You want to use those 4. Don't try to put extra dimensions in. So those are the only 4 you're going to be allowed to have on this drawing. We're going to click Revolve, Front, Sketch View. Should be getting used to this. And um, if you want, so you don't forget, you could always place your center line first, and that will help you so you don't forget to put it there. And then when you come back in and you put your lines in, you're just going to rough out the shape, like so. And don't forget to close it. So this fourth line is going to come up here and close. And then when you middle click, you've got these dimensions in here. And I don't know how close we are to reality here, so we're going to add our own dimensions. We're going to go new dimension, and one of the numbers we know is the length of this line here. So we're going to click on it, and then move your mouse out perpendicular to that angled line. Don't come over here, but make sure you're out perpendicular, and then middle click, and it'll give you what's called in some programs an align dimension, or the length of that line. We don't want to have this dimension going vertical over here, which is the height from that point to that point. Totally different numbers. And we're going to make this 100. Okay, and then we're going to add a dimension on the length of this line, and that needs to be 200. Okay, and it's kind of looking funky right now. It's okay. And we're going to add a dimension down here, this inside angle. So we're going to go click, click, middle click, and we're going to make this 125. You can see it's looking better. Maybe not. And one more dimension to make it look right is the inside angle here. And this will be a 135. Now it should look okay now. These 4 dimensions are critical that you have these. If you have a 100 on the length of this line down here, it's wrong. Okay, because notice that this is 125 and this is 135. This cannot be 100. We already put our center line in, so we're good. And then we're going to go ahead and green check mark. It spins it around. We're going to accept it and save it. And that is, Revolve 3. That's it.